Welcome to my video on real estate investing education, even if you think it's all about real estate gurus. Hi, Tom here. I was in the same position as you, and honestly, I thought real estate investing was for people with a lot of money or investing experience. Then I discovered this investing and education program that completely changed my mind about real estate. It's changed my life. In a moment, I'm going to give you a link to the program and you can check it out for yourself. If you are just beginning to consider the idea of investing in real estate, you're a newbie and you do need some instruction to avoid losing your shirt and probably your pants, hat, and shoes as well. And you don't have to sign on with any so-called guru. First, you will need to determine what your strategy will be in real estate investing. Do you want to buy a property, fix it up, and sell it quickly? Or do you want to buy a property and hold it and wait for the market to increase? Do you want to deal with renters? You'll need to learn how to investigate the value of properties yourself. There are several online sites that are helpful in determining the real value of real estate. Do not rely on tax values. They're not reliable and they're not accurate either. You can find a real estate agent that you can work with, and you can find recommendations for such agents online. The next thing you need is a good broker that you can also work with. Ask your real estate agent for the names of 3 mortgage brokers. Then you'll need to find out what interest rates and closing costs each one charges. Check out your local bank or credit union as well. Take copies of your 3 credit reports and choose a sample property for each broker to run hard numbers on. Now you're ready to actually make your first investment. You want to choose the lowest price house in the best possible neighborhood to put a contract on. Let's say the cheapest 2-bedroom house in the best neighborhood in Fort Wayne costs $100,000, and the next cheapest comparable home is listed for $140,000. If you buy the home that is priced at $100,000, you can raise your price to $130,000 the next day and make a dandy little profit. Now let's talk about closing the deal. First, show the seller your pre-qualification letter from your lender. Then get the required inspections for termites and get your appraisal. Once you have all your ducks in a row, so to speak, it takes about 30 days to get the final close. Before you close, you might want to think about a purchase and renovate loan. A purchase and renovate loan wraps the cost of construction up in the loan so you don't have many out-of-pocket expenses. Okay, now let's go back to the first thing that you needed to do, and that was to determine your strategy. Now's the time for you to execute that strategy that you have used to invest in this real estate. If you bought it with the strategy of flipping it when the market went up, then you just simply wait. If you bought it with the strategy of renovating and then selling, then it's time to start your renovations. On the other hand, if you bought it with the strategy of renting it, it's time to start looking for tenants. You see, the point of having a strategy for profiting from the purchase of any piece of real estate must be your first decision, because everything that comes after that is dependent on it. Look out for the next video in the series, Real Estate Investing for Cash Flow. To start your real estate investing journey, go now to m-i-c.net/MHBJ. If this helped, please give this video a thumbs up. To get notifications and new content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for instant notification.